Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about quality control of raw materials in garment manufacturing. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Quality control of raw materials in garment manufacturing. Quality control of raw materials. Since quality is one of the most critical factors for the customer and no one will accept less than the acceptable quality norms, many factories employ their own quality systems as per the requirement of buyer or customer. But to become the most efficient in terms of quality, a factory needs to set their standards a little more stringent than what is expected from them. This will ensure that there is less rework and zero customer complaints from the customer. Constant monitoring of the systems is necessary to ensure that fulfilling the purpose. Quality inspection in fabric store. Fabric quality is of utmost importance to the overall quality of apparel and textile products, regardless of how well a product is designed or constructed. If the fabric is of poor quality, the product will most likely to fail with the consumer. Visual defect inspection. For the visual defect inspection, 4-point system is used to check the fabric defects like contamination, slubs, neps, stains, holes, etc. We need to check at least 20% of the total fabrics received so as to ensure no defective fabric is issued to cutting. The major mistake many factories make in choosing the rolls is they take rolls with big quantities to cover 20% figure so as to reduce their workload. It is recommended to cover as many rolls as possible with a mix of small and big rolls so that the actual condition of the fabric is known. It is also advisable to put some layers of fabric under the checking area when light color fabrics are checked, especially white color. Many defects will not be visible in a single layer in light colors. Quality inspection in fabric store. Shade inspection. There are 3 types of shades present in fabric. Below are the criteria to check the shade for each type. Roll to roll variation. To check roll to roll shade variation, cut 30 cm full width panel of 100% rolls and make a shade band. Grouping needs to be done from a lighter to a darker shade. Cross verify the band with the approved color standard received from the brand buyer. You can get the same from the concerned merchant. If there is no major variation in the shade, then it can be approved internally. In case of major variation is found, then we need to take the approval of same from customer. Always mention the volume of each lot while sending it to the customer so that decision making can be done accurately. Quality inspection in fabric store. Center to selvage variation CSV. This is one of the most critical shade which can cause high rejection if not caught. Many factories randomly check CSV panels and take decisions. It is important to check 100% rolls for CSV and take decisions accordingly. If a major variation is present in the panels, then it is advisable to reject the fabric and don't proceed with cutting. Putting CSV marker for every variation is not the correct step. CSV marker is only advisable for variation which is minor. In case of doubt, make a garment mock and take a call accordingly. Quality inspection in fabric store. Within roll variation lengthwise, few shades which are dark like black, navy blue, khaki has variation over length. The best way to check the same is to cut a 30 cm full width panel from the top and bottom of each roll. Taking fabric from the start and end of the roll, then check the same for shade. If present, then we need to communicate the same to CAD so that long length marker can be avoided for same. It must be noted that if the fabric is having CSV and lengthwise shade variation, then a factory should reject the fabric and not proceed to cut. Quality inspection in fabric store. Physical testing. Physical testing can be done randomly as per the buyer manual. We can do it on any random roll. In case of wash order, washing shrinkage needs to be checked of 100% rolls. One thing that is the most important, which many factories don't do, is to verify the test result with the FPT report received from the supplier. Also, the FPT report must be cross-verified with the quality manual of the brand so as to ensure all the required tests are being performed in the report. Many cases come across when a few tests were missing from the FPT report and during GPT, fabric is not meeting required testing standards. At this time, the whole shipment will be in jeopardy and the supplier will not accept the debit as the fabric is cut and stitched. Quality inspection in trim store. Trims are checked during pre-production, production and post-production with a final inspection. Various fashion accessories include closures, interlinings, sewing threads, elastic waistband and other design elements. These accessories should be able to withstand the care and maintenance procedures devised for the clothing. Trims can be checked randomly 10% of the total quality received. It is advisable to take as many packets as possible so as to assure quality more efficiently. In case of wash orders, it is advisable to pre-shrink trim labels and tapes. Color fasteners to wash and rub also needs to be checked for colored materials like labels, trim tapes, tags, etc. Also ask for testing reports of trims from supplier so that a record can be maintained for trims quality. This will be helpful to claim loss from suppliers in case of any failure. For carton bursting strength is important to check. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.